Trezor wallet versus Green wallet, which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are included in the description below. In this video, we'll be comparing Trezor wallet and Green wallet to help you decide which is the better choice for securing your cryptocurrency assets. Both offer strong security, but each comes with unique features catering to different user needs. Trezor wallet is a leading hardware wallet renowned for its robust security and user-friendly experience. The Trezor Model T supports over 1,000 cryptocurrencies, and it provides a secure offline environment for storing your private keys. With a touchscreen for easy navigation, Trezor is known for its simple setup and ongoing security updates, ensuring your funds are always protected. It's perfect for those who prioritize security above all else and want to store a variety of digital assets in a single device. Trezor's long-standing reputation and open-source nature make it a solid choice for both beginners and advanced users who need a reliable, secure wallet for long-term storage. On the other hand, Green wallet is a mobile wallet developed by Blockstream, designed for Bitcoin users who want to maintain full control over their assets. Green wallet stands out due to its multi-signature support, allowing users to create complex security setups by requiring multiple approvals for transactions. This adds an extra layer of protection, making it ideal for users with high security needs. It also integrates with hardware wallets like Trezor, which provides an extra level of convenience for users who want to manage their Bitcoin holdings on the go. Green wallet is great for those who prioritize Bitcoin security and who want a mobile-first solution that provides advanced features like multi-signature and coin control. In conclusion, Trezor wallet is ideal for users who need a versatile hardware wallet with excellent security, supporting a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Green wallet, however, is best suited for Bitcoin enthusiasts who want advanced features like multi-signature support and mobile access. While both wallets offer top-tier security, your choice ultimately depends on whether you need a hardware wallet for a variety of assets or a mobile solution for Bitcoin with enhanced security options. Check the links in the description for more information and to decide which wallet is best for you.